In a world where stress levels are as high as our Wi-Fi signals, finding ways to unplug and recharge has become essential. Enter yoga, a practice that's been around longer than your grandma's secret cookie recipe. But unlike those cookies, yoga offers benefits that are both sweet and calorie-free. Whether you're a yoga newbie or a seasoned pro, it's never too late to start experiencing the countless advantages this ancient practice offers. So, roll out your mat, strike a pose, and let's dive into the myriad ways yoga nurtures the mind, body, and soul. 1. Flexibility. Remember the days when bending over to tie your shoes felt like a workout? With regular yoga practice, those days become a distant memory. Yoga stretches and strengthens muscles, improving flexibility and joint mobility. Increased flexibility not only makes everyday movements easier, but also reduces the risk of injuries. Health experts suggest that it may even help alleviate chronic pains, such as back and neck pain. According to a study by the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health, yoga is an effective way to reduce low back pain and improve mobility. It's not just about touching your toes, it's about achieving better posture, improved alignment, and greater ease of movement. And trust me, your body will thank you when you can finally do the splits, or at least bend over without groaning. 2nd, strength. Think yoga is all about gentle stretches and deep breaths? Think again. Yoga isn't just for relaxation, it's also a powerful strength-building tool. Many yoga poses are designed to build muscle strength, supporting joint health and helping prevent arthritis. It's not just about holding warrior pose for 5 minutes, it's about activating muscle groups you didn't even know existed. The power of yoga lies in its use of body weight to strengthen muscles. According to Harvard Health, regular yoga practice can help you tone your muscles, improve your endurance, and develop greater strength. Over time, poses like plank, downward dog, and even the humble chair pose can help you build muscle in your arms, legs, and core. So, next time someone asks if yoga builds strength, just flex those triceps and show them your results. 3rd, balance. Ever tried standing on one leg while brushing your teeth? It's harder than it sounds. But yoga makes it easier. The key to better balance lies in strengthening your core muscles, and yoga is perfect for that. Yoga enhances balance and coordination, which are crucial as we age. Think about it. If you can hold tree pose without wobbling, you're not only impressing your friends, but also improving your stability. As we age, the risk of falls increases, and balance becomes more important than ever. That's where yoga steps in, helping you maintain physical stability and mental focus. Johns Hopkins Medicine points out that yoga improves balance by enhancing your coordination and body awareness. So the next time you're at a yoga class and someone says, "Wow, you're like a statue in that pose," you'll know it's because you've built a solid foundation one pose at a time. 4th, mental health. In today's fast-paced world, mental health is more important than ever. Yoga offers a sanctuary for the mind, providing tools to manage stress, anxiety, and depression. The combination of physical postures, controlled breathing, and meditation fosters a sense of peace and well-being. According to the Anxiety and Depression Association of America, yoga has been found to significantly reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, providing relief for those who struggle with mental health issues. Moreover, the practice of mindful breathing can enhance emotional regulation and help quiet the mind. So, next time you find yourself spiraling in a sea of thoughts, just take a deep breath and remember that yoga has your back. Literally. It's not just a workout, it's a mental health boost in disguise. 5, stress reduction. If stress were a currency, we'd all be millionaires. And just like currency, it can be spent recklessly on endless meetings, missed deadlines, and that constant rush to get things done. Yoga provides a much-needed break from these daily pressures. By engaging in deep breathing techniques and focusing on the present moment, yoga activates the body's relaxation response, reducing cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and promoting a sense of calm. According to the Mayo Clinic, yoga has been shown to lower cortisol levels and help alleviate the physical and emotional symptoms of stress. This doesn't mean you need to take a 30-minute pose-filled break every time your boss asks for an update. Sixth, mindfulness. Ever found yourself eating a sandwich and wondering why it's suddenly gone? Mindfulness, cultivated through yoga, encourages living in the moment, enhancing self-awareness and appreciation for life's simple pleasures. Yoga helps you stay grounded, focusing on each breath, each movement, and each sensation in the body. This heightened awareness can lead to better decision-making and a more fulfilling life. A study by the National Institutes of Health shows that yoga can improve self-awareness and mindfulness, which positively impacts emotional regulation and overall well-being. 7. Heart health. Your heart works tirelessly. Perhaps it's time to return the favor. Yoga has been associated with improved cardiovascular health, helping to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. According to the American Heart Association, regular yoga practice can reduce the risk of heart disease by improving circulation, lowering blood pressure, and enhancing heart rate variability. Yoga's gentle yet effective nature makes it an ideal form of exercise for those looking to maintain a healthy heart without the intense pounding of cardio workouts. So, next time you're looking to boost your heart health, just roll out your mat and breathe deeply. Your heart will appreciate the love. 8. Sleep quality. Counting sheep is so last season. If you're still relying on sheep, you're missing out on the true sleep magic yoga can bring. Yoga promotes relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep and enjoy restorative rest. By calming the nervous system and soothing the body, yoga helps you wind down from a busy day and prepares you for a good night's sleep. Studies show that regular yoga practice improves sleep quality, helping you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling more refreshed. According to a study published in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine, yoga has been shown to reduce insomnia and enhance sleep quality in those who practice it regularly. So, forget the sleep apps. Yoga may be your best remedy for a solid 8 hours of shut-eye. 9. Weight management. While yoga isn't a high-intensity calorie-torching workout, it plays a significant role in weight management. The mindfulness developed through yoga can lead to healthier eating habits and a more balanced lifestyle. Active forms of yoga, such as vinyasa, power yoga, or ashtanga, can burn significant calories and enhance muscle strength and endurance. Verywell Health notes that yoga can help with weight loss by promoting mindfulness, encouraging healthier food choices, and reducing emotional eating. Over time, practicing yoga can help reshape your body and your relationship with food. If you think yoga is just for flexibility, think again. It's an underrated tool for long-term weight management. 10. Community and connection. Humans are social creatures. Even introverts need their people. Yoga classes offer a sense of community, providing support and motivation. Participating in group sessions can enhance accountability and enrich your practice. This sense of connection isn't just about socializing. It's about sharing the experience of growth and learning with others. Whether it's chatting with your mat neighbor after class or attending a weekend retreat, yoga can introduce you to like-minded individuals who inspire you to deepen your practice. Plus, there's something powerful about being in a room full of people stretching and breathing in unison. It's a reminder that, even in the chaos of life, we're all connected. And that's a wrap on the benefits of yoga. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Have a favorite pose or yoga moment? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.